Many people in Nigeria eat 3 meals every day, yet they still feel tired, weak, dizzy, or even suffer from low blood. The shocking truth is this: you may not be lacking food, you may be lacking nutrients, because eating food is not the same thing as feeding your body properly. Today, I will show you 5 powerful Nigerian meals that can help correct hidden nutrient deficiencies. And these meals are backed by food science. Some of them are foods you already eat, but you may be eating them the wrong way. Let's begin. As a food scientist, I always explain something very important. Food is not just for satisfying hunger. Food contains nutrients that control energy, brain function, immunity, and even your mood. When the body lacks certain nutrients, you may notice signs like constant tiredness, frequent illness, pale skin, poor concentration, or weakness. But the good news is that simple Nigerian meals can help restore these nutrients. Let's start with the first one. Meal number one: beef porridge with orange. The first powerful meal is beans porridge with orange. Beans is one of the most nutritious foods in Nigeria. It contains iron, protein, zinc, and fiber. Iron is very important because it helps the body produce red blood cells. These red blood cells carry oxygen around the body. When iron levels are low, people may experience fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath, and anemia. But here is the food science many people do not know. Beans contains phytates. Phytates can reduce iron absorption. However, vitamin C can unlock that iron. Vitamin C helps the body absorb plant iron much more efficiently. So when you eat beans with orange or citrus fruits, the iron becomes easier for the body to use. A simple example is beans porridge with orange slices. This combination can help support healthy blood levels. Meal number two: pap with egg and granules. The second powerful meal is pap with egg and granules. Pap, also known as ogi, is one of the most common breakfasts in Nigeria. But pap alone is mostly carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give quick energy, but the energy does not last long. This is why some people feel hungry again very quickly after eating pap. The solution is simple: add protein and healthy fats. Eggs provides high quality protein, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline. These nutrients support brain function, muscle repair, and energy metabolism. Granules provide healthy fats, magnesium, and additional protein. When pap is combined with eggs and granules, it becomes a balanced meal that provides energy, protein, and important minerals. This combination is especially good for children, students, and hardworking adults. Meal number three: ugu soup with fish. The third powerful meal is ugu soup with fish. Ugu leaves, also called fluted pumpkin leaves, are extremely nutritious. They contain iron, folate, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Folate plays an important role in red blood cell production. Iron supports oxygen transport in the body. Fish provides high quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acid helps support brain health, heart health, and anti-inflammatory processes. Another interesting food science fact is this. Many vitamins in vegetables are fat soluble. That means the body absorbs them better when eaten with fats. Palm oil in vegetable soup helps the body absorb vitamin A more efficiently. So when ugu soup is cooked with fish and palm oil, the nutrients become much more bioavailable. Meal number 4, moi moi with pepper. Meal number 4, moi moi with pepper sauce. The fourth meal is moi moi with pepper sauce. Moi moi is made from beans. It contains protein, iron, and zinc. Zinc is extremely important for immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. Pepper sauce usually contains tomatoes, peppers, and onions. These vegetables provide vitamin C, and as we mentioned earlier, vitamin C helps improve iron absorption. So when moi moi is eaten with pepper sauce, your body absorbs the iron from the beans more efficiently. This helps support stronger immunity, healthy blood levels, and better nutrient absorption. Meal number 5. Meal number 5, okra soup with fish. The fifth powerful meal is okra soup with fish. Okra is rich in fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidants. Fiber supports healthy digestion. Magnesium supports muscle function, nerve function, and energy production. Fish provides protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Together, this meal helps support digestive health, heart health, and immune function. Okra also contains natural compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels. Important lesson to note. Here is something many people do not realize. Nutrients work in teams. Iron works better with vitamin C. Fat-soluble vitamins need healthy fats. Fermented foods help reduce anti-nutrients. So sometimes the problem is not the food you eat, but how you combine your foods. Now, in summary, for your learning, let's quickly review the 5 meals. Beans porridge with beans. Oh, the 5 meals. Number 1, beans porridge with orange. Number 2, pap with egg and granuts. Number 3 is ugu soup with fish. Number 4 is moi moi with pepper sauce. And then number 5 is okra soup with fish. These meals provide important nutrients like iron, protein, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, and magnesium. In the next video, I will show you the 14 best Nigerian food combinations for maximum nutrient absorption, because even healthy foods can lose their benefits if they are combined the wrong way. So make sure you watch that video next. Remember, this food is not just something we eat. Food is information for the body. When you eat wisely, your body becomes stronger.